In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect LinkedIn to Make, a powerful automation tool. The process is straightforward, but I'm here to guide you through each step to make sure you're all set up smoothly. So let's dive in. First, ensure that you are logged into your Make account. Once you've done that, navigate to the Make dashboard. This is your starting point, and you'll be revisiting it often as you create and manage your scenarios. From here, you'll want to click on the option to create a scenario. Think of scenarios as your workflow blueprints, and creating a new one means you're getting ready to design an automated task. In the search bar of the scenario creation page, type in LinkedIn. This step is essential because it helps you find the LinkedIn integration among the many others that Make offers. After typing it in, click on LinkedIn from the list of options that appears. This selection is crucial as it sets the stage for all your LinkedIn-related automation tasks. Next, we have the opportunity to select what specific LinkedIn action we want to automate. Click on Create a User Image Post or Others. Depending on your needs, you can choose other actions here, but this option is the foundation for creating LinkedIn content directly from Make. After selecting the action, you'll be prompted to create a connection. Click on Create a Connection to establish the link between Make and LinkedIn. This is a pivotal step as it authenticates the integration. You'll then see an option to select a connection type. Simply click on LinkedIn here. This further specifies that the connection is indeed for your LinkedIn account, ensuring everything is streamlined and specific to your needs. Now ensure to click on Save. This acts a bit like hitting save on a document. It ensures all your selections and setups have been correctly logged. The next phase involves permitting Make to access your LinkedIn account. Click on Allow Permission. This allows Make to perform actions on your behalf in LinkedIn safely and securely. It's an integral part of connecting the two platforms as it adheres to LinkedIn's guidelines for third-party access. Once permissions are granted, you'll return to the Make interface and you should see the option to click on Highlight. Select this to draw attention to specific elements of your setup, enabling a clearer view of interactions within your scenario. Finally, you'll input some optional details, like typing in a file name and including data and content fields related to your desired LinkedIn post. Be certain to name these appropriately as they help keep your workflow organized. And lastly, click Save again to make sure all the information you've entered is stored correctly. By following these steps, you will have successfully connected LinkedIn to Make, allowing you to effortlessly automate your LinkedIn activities. With this connection, you're all set to explore the vast array of marketing opportunities on LinkedIn using Make's robust automation capabilities. Great job, and I hope this integration brings significant efficiency to your workflow.